Welcome back to day 17 of our 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. You've built consistency, you've built control. Today, we blend those two together for strength-based endurance. Staying steady, staying balanced, staying powerful. Same interval, same structure. You know what to do. Let's warm up. Standing tall on your vibration plate, feel the vibration rise through your body, into your legs, your core, all the way up through your posture. Take a slow breath in, exhale, and relax your shoulders. Today, we focus on endurance, not speed, not intensity, just the strength that comes from repeating good form. Let your knees stay soft as the vibration works through them. Shift your weight slightly side to side and let your feet settle. Find your grounding. You're training your muscles and nervous system at the same time. That's what endurance really is. Your body learning how to stay steady under effort. Keep your shoulders back, engage your core, just enough to feel supported. You're getting your mind ready just as much as your muscles. It's almost time to start working with interval 1, so prepare mentally and physically. Get ready to work in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. You're doing great. Remember, on the upswing, you want to be pressing through the heel. Now finish this interval strong with 8 squats. Great, now let's take a break. Let your legs loosen while the vibration keeps that blood flowing. This break is part of your training. Endurance isn't about pushing non-stop. It's about recovering well so that you can repeat strong reps. Feel your breathing slow down and let your heart rate settle. Now it's time to check your posture. Shoulders relaxed, chest open, core slightly engaged, feet grounded. Good. As your body rests, think about the rhythm of your squats, the way your muscles fire together. That coordination is what creates endurance. You're doing exactly what you need to today. Steady, focused repetition. You're moving right along in this challenge. You've made it to day 17. That's worth celebrating. Don't you feel stronger than before you started? Keep up the good work. We're going to build on what we've done so far. Alright, so we're getting ready to put into work in interval 2, so get ready. Interval 2 begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Keep it strong and controlled. Powerful finish to this round. Now let your legs breathe. This is your moment to recharge. Your body adapts during these breaks. Your muscles refill with the energy they need to push again. So stand tall and relax those shoulders. Let that vibration help loosen any tightness in your thighs and your hips. Now lean forward and feel that stretch. Today we're building controlled endurance, the kind that makes you stronger rep after rep without burning out. Remind yourself how far you've come, 17 days in. Your balance is better, your movement is smoother, your strength is deeper. One more round coming up. You've got this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Feel that burn as you focus on those quads. You're doing excellent work. That is powerful. Awesome, and now it's time to celebrate. You did it. Give yourself a hand. Now let's head on into our cool down. Stand tall and breathe. Feel the vibration calming your muscles. Let your legs soften and your breath slow down. Lean forward and feel that vibration soothe those muscles. Now stand tall and close your eyes if you can. Allow this moment to replenish you. Cooling down is part of endurance. It teaches your body how to recover and come back even stronger. Relax your shoulders and let your posture settle naturally. Feel the work you just put in, consistent, controlled, and strong. You're building endurance the right way. Steady training, steady recovery, steady improvement. Give yourself another hand for sticking with it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and send this link to a friend. You deserve to celebrate. Fantastic work today. Day 17 done, and you're stronger because of it. See you tomorrow for day 18. Bye.